In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer inventory between multiple warehouses in QuickBooks Online. When you move products from one warehouse to another, you want your books to show that movement accurately. QuickBooks Online doesn't have a built-in warehouse transfer button in all versions, so the way we handle this is by using inventory quantity adjustments. We'll make one adjustment to reduce the quantity in the warehouse that's sending the items, and another adjustment to increase the quantity in the warehouse that's receiving them. Let's start with the originating warehouse, the one shipping items out. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus New button. From the options that appear, choose Inventory QT Adjustment. If you're working in an older version, you might need to search for Adjust Quantity Value on Hand, but it's the same type of form. On this adjustment screen, first enter the adjustment date. This should be the date when the physical inventory is actually moving, or the date you want the transfer reflected in your records. Then, choose the appropriate inventory asset account. In most cases, this will be your main inventory asset account, but use whatever you normally use to track inventory value. Next, look for the field labeled Inventory Site or Location. If you're using location tracking for reporting purposes, this is where you select the originating warehouse. This tells QuickBooks which warehouse the items are leaving. Now add the items that you're transferring. For each item, enter a negative quantity in the quantity adjustment field. That negative number represents the amount leaving the warehouse. In some layouts, you may instead set the new quantity field to 0 if you're moving everything out. The key idea is that the quantity in the originating warehouse goes down by the amount you're transferring. Once you've confirmed the items, quantities, and warehouse location are correct, save the adjustment. Now we'll record the items arriving at the destination warehouse. Create another inventory QT adjustment, again using the plus New button. Use the same adjustment date as the one you used for the originating warehouse, so your transfer stays consistent in your reports. On this second adjustment, select the destination warehouse location in the Inventory Site or Location field. Then, add the same items you just removed from the first warehouse. This time, enter a positive quantity in the Quantity Adjustment field, representing the items coming in. Double-check that the quantities match the first adjustment, but as positive numbers. When everything looks good, choose Save and Close. You've now recorded a complete inventory transfer between warehouses in QuickBooks Online.